my god. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having tacos in a gigantic, ginormous, massive burrito in celebration of Cinco de Mayo. So let's dig right in because I'm starving. I hope I got a good thumbnail. I wanted to show how big it was. Normally I would just cut this in half to see the juicy goodness in it, but I wanted to keep it intact so you guys can be like, can actually see how freaking huge this is if I haven't already expressed that. So here I believe, oh yeah, it is the shrimp tacos, and then these are fish tacos. I honestly just got these like as sides just to have like something different in case I do get sick of the burrito, but I'm honestly going to just aim for this monster right here. So I've had this already about like 3 years ago though, so it's been a very long time, and it is called the Angel Burrito. It is bigger than my forearm, like you guys, it's freaking ginormous. So I'm gonna try my best to see how deep I can get into it. So I don't really know how I'm gonna go about this. I don't know if I'm just gonna go right into it or I'm gonna rip it in half. This is crazy, you guys. I guess I'm just gonna bite into it like I would a normal size burrito. Mmm. Mm. Oh my gosh. So far so good. Honestly really sad about my sauces right now because they come with sauces called Cali sauces. I paid like 50 cents extra each and I got 3. And I feel like it would have made this amazing, but I feel like I'm kind of like eating a dry burrito right now. Like, there's no way they didn't give me any sauce. Like, come on. Okay. Whatever. I wish I had some salsa in my fridge so I can, you know, have something to eat this huge thing with. All right. So there's fries in them and chicken, but like I said, I wish I opted for carne asada because I feel like it would be more less dry in a sense. Okay, I can't do this without sauce, guys. I'm gonna have to use my cheese sauce, okay? BRB. All right, here I have my cheese sauce. I love my cheese sauce, and I'm feeling a little better that I don't have my sauces. Honestly, it's always going to be like a game or like, you know, like a chance when you order from a delivery because, you know, like you're not personally there to grab your stuff for yourself. Someone else is doing it for you. It just sucks that we're buying it. But yeah, let's eat. The cheese makes it so much better. But it's kind of hard to dip this huge thing in it. It's kind of unbelievable that I'm holding a burrito like this. Oh! Oh, you know what? Yeah, this is what we gotta do. Don't spill too much. All right. Gotta improvise. Tell me to give me napkins. No napkins. It's getting messy. I feel like I'm getting pretty good into it. All right, I'm just gonna dip it. I don't want it to spill. Yes. Oh my god. So I don't have napkins, so I'm gonna try to eat as clean as I can. I have some horchata here. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it's so good. But I think I'm always like that with every horchata I drink. I just love horchata. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little break with the tacos. I actually prefer my tacos with lemon, but yeah. So we're gonna go in with the fish taco right now. Why is it like this though? Like, this seems like it's gonna be so hard for me to eat. Like, okay. Oh my god, the tortilla is falling apart. So yeah, it's basically freaking soggy. I have no sauce, so I'm gonna dip in the cheese. Oh! This is really hard to eat, you guys. Can you see me struggling? Like, I don't know. Oh my god. I gotta wipe. I know that was really messy. So, that fish taco, the flavor is there. Like, I taste the fish, and the fish has great flavor, but it's super soggy. But I don't know if that's like really the spot's fault or it's the delivery, because the delivery took over like 40 minutes. And yeah. All right, I'm gonna go into the shrimp taco. The shrimp looks a little bit skimpy to me. It looks like frozen shrimp that you get, you know, frozen. And I like fish tacos with like plump, juicy shrimp. But you can't knock it till you try it. And this definitely seems easier to eat, for sure. The fish taco was just so packed. Oh gosh. Maybe I'll eat the side with the sour cream. For some reason, the sour cream is only on one side of the taco. I don't know, man. IDK. I'm gonna save it to the end to rate everything, but for now, I'm gonna go right back into the burrito. That is my spotlight. So good. Honestly, my favorite thing right now is the horchata. That is fire. Picking this up is just so funny to me. It's crazy. And then the way I'm holding it, I'm like, I can look down at it. It's freaking hilarious. I wonder if they have a challenge for this burrito. Like, if you can eat it, you'll finish it in a certain amount of time, because that'd be pretty cool. I personally haven't been in a food challenge yet, and I really want to. I want to go down to like LA and do like a spicy ramen challenge. That's one of them. And I want to try the pho challenge. There's this one restaurant, I think local, that they give a huge bowl of pho and then you try to finish it. Food challenges sound so fun, and I can't wait to start doing them. All right, okay, put some more sauce. How do I tackle this? So hard to eat this right now. Lots of chewing, big bites. So, the tortilla is actually holding up everything super well, and it's actually not dry, surprisingly, which is amazing, because you can't be going around eating some dry tortilla, right? But I find myself wanting like some hint of freshness. Like, I wish I did put some cabbage in here, or some guac or something, because as you guys can see, it's all rice, fries. I'm pretty sure there's beans in here, but I'm not sure, and just chicken. So it's all just one. It just feels like one level of the same consistency, and yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I guess I'll just use my hands. I'm not a fan. Oh. I'm definitely not going to finish that taco. So I'm just going to use the salsa. Yes. It definitely needed that freshness. Oh my gosh. There's shrimp in here. It was hiding. I kind of find it sad that I have to pick out the items off the other the food that I got, but it's helping a lot. You know what this is missing? Freaking sour cream. Like, where's the sour cream? Like, come on. That is definitely what is missing. All right. This is heavenly. So, I've been getting feedback that my burps are kind of like too crazy now, which honestly, I agree. I don't like disagree at all. But then it all started when I had a viewer who like begged me to freaking burp, and like they would comment every single video if I didn't, and then I just like started doing it for them. And then I don't see them really posting anymore, so honestly, I just realized I should just like stay true to what makes me comfortable, because there's there's something on my lip. Why don't you guys give me napkins? Anyways, I feel like I should stay true to myself and to what makes me comfortable. Because I don't know if I'm gonna keep eating this. I'm just gonna be honest and express that I can't get over the fact that I don't have my sauces. Like, the cheese does help a lot, but it's not doing it for me. It just tastes like it's kind of meshing just with the flavors. It's not adding any more. I'm sorry. It's not adding like a prominent flavor that differs from what's going on in the burrito. It just tastes like one. I need to watch more cooking shows. I watch a lot of Chops, so I know like a lot of vocab that they use, but I'm coming up blank right now. But yeah, it's just there's no depth to anything, but the burrito is very good. I think I went about like oh my god. Oh my god. I think I went to, I hopefully like, I would like to say halfway, but I'll have to go back and see, but maybe at least a quarter. But I remember it was, okay, well, we can measure with my forearm. I didn't even get through it, barely. Like, yeah, a quarter. I went through a quarter. This thing is ginormous. But yeah, I ordered, ooh! My food landed right on the foil. Score. So I feel like I'm talking about a bunch of random stuff, but I can't get over the fact that I ordered a lot more sauces. I got a lot just to make sure I have a great meal, and I also got a lot of side sauces that I didn't have to pay for, like green salsa. Like, green salsa sounds amazing right now, guys. Like, come on. So let's get into the rating. The burrito, I would have to give it a, out of 5, I'll give it like a, it's gonna have to go for a 3.5 for me, because the size is amazing. It's awesome. It was about like $15 though. Was it 15? It was like around that price. So pretty hefty for just a burrito, and they usually go for, you know, like $8 or something like that. I feel like it's missing a lot of freshness. It needs like some crunch or some different component, because everything's just meshing together and it gets unappetizing after a while. And then the shrimp taco is just like a no for me. It's gonna get like a 2, because the shrimp tastes very artificial. Yeah, like one bite into it, I was just like, no. But I like the salsa and the sour cream. I love sour cream. The fish taco, I'm gonna give it like a 4. I honestly wish they didn't plate it like this. It was very hard to eat. But the fish is pretty good. I just wanted to get deeper into the burrito. But yeah, the fish is a 4. So overall, my meal was about, I can't do math, so I'm not going to fully do an average of it. I'm just going to give it a 3. 3? Yeah, a 3. I think that's the lowest that I've ever rated any of my meals. So it's got to say something, because I honestly always rate everything like higher than it should, really. But as for the horchata, I have to give it a 5. I like how they didn't like fill it with ice. It didn't come fully iced. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Also turn on push notifications, and I'll see you next time. Peace.